The 2018 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.